Welcome to my channel. It's me from a craft-based channel. The method is pretty much the same for both. After that, we re-gon, na, take our needle and thread, and we re-gon, na, push it through right next to the zipper. You can see right here where that hole is, right next to the very end of the zipper. We're going to go ahead and push it through there. This jacket also has a lot of holes in it, so we're going to be sewing over top of those holes as well. And I can easily fix the zipper. And that's how you fix a zipper on a jacket. Do you love that too? Check out the rest of my videos. If you made something today, I would love to see it. Tag me on social media. I can't wait to see what you make. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. By just putting my fingers in between the two sides and then pulling it up like that. And now my zipper is fixed. I recommend that you try the jacket on while you're refixing the zipper because every time you fix it without the jacket on, it's a pain in the butt to get it lined up just right. So that's why I like to put the jacket on and then fix the zipper while I'm wearing it. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a broken zipper. I have here an old jacket that I got from a thrift store, and it has a broken zipper. So let's get started. Now this is a metal zipper, and there are two types of zippers that you can get, metal and plastic. UL go on the inside of the zipper, and then UL flip it right side out after you redone. So once I've gotten all the way down here to the bottom of my zipper, I'm going to tie it off with a double knot. You can see right here a nice little double knot. That way, it won't come undone. The first thing you want to do when fixing a zipper is to make sure that your zipper is completely unzipped. When you're zipping it, you want to make sure that you're keeping it even with the top of the zipper. What I mean by that is you don't want to angle it. If you want it straight across like that, then we're going to take our jacket and we're going to put it on. After we've pushed it through there, we re-gon, na, take our thread and we re-gon, na, tie it off with a double knot. This is going to keep our zipper from coming apart while we're working on it. Then we're going to take our needle and thread and we're going to push it through right next to the zipper again. We're going to continue doing that all the way down the zipper. As you can see right here, I'm making sure that my stitches are very close to the zipper. It doesn't need to be far away from the zipper. It just needs to be touching the zipper. That way, when you zip the zipper, it will glide along with the zipper. If your zipper happens to be the opposite side, you're going to do the same thing. But instead of going on the outside of the zipper, then we're going to take our jacket and we're going to zip it up all the way to the top. So I have my jacket on. And as you can see, we've covered up those holes so the jacket is good to go. I love giving new life to old thrifted items.